Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your profile picture on Discord. In order to do so, make sure you have Discord application installed on your device. Once you got the app, tap it open. Before moving right into our video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open Discord application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you reach to the home screen of Discord, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen right here. And once you do that, you'll end up in your user settings page. Tap on My Account from this page, and at the very top left, you'll be able to see your account profile photo. Simply tap on that photo and choose an application from where you want to upload the picture. Let me select my gallery. Go ahead and pick a picture of yourself and tap on Upload. After you're done uploading the picture, go and tap on the Save button at the bottom right corner and simply save your changes that you made in this page in your profile. And you've successfully uploaded a profile picture on Discord. If you wish to change it, then simply tap on your profile picture one more time and then tap on your application from where you want to upload the picture and choose one of your photo that you want to change to. After you're done, tap on crop if you want to make any kind of a change. If you want to cut out a part of your photo, then now is the time. Simply go ahead and make any kind of a change if you want. You can choose the picture ratio from the options displayed at the bottom right here. If you want to rotate your image, simply tap on this button right here at the bottom right, and you can go ahead and slide the slider and rotate your image as you please. Now after you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner, and that is how you can change your profile picture on Discord application. Now go ahead and tap on the save button at the bottom right one more time to save your picture, and that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.